Did you know your phone holds the key to unlocking a treasure trove of potential leads right at your fingertips? Yes, we're talking about your contact list. How do you turn these contacts into valuable leads through email without coming off as pushy or intrusive? Stay tuned as we unveil some game-changing strategies. Welcome to Boise Web's expert guide on leveraging your phone contacts to generate leads via email, a strategy that's both effective and personal. Let's dive in. First things first, segmentation is key. Not all contacts are created equal, and they shouldn't be treated as such. Categorize your contacts based on how you know them: friends, family, professional contacts, and so on. This will help tailor your message to suit their relationship with you and their potential interest in your offer. Now for the magic touch, personalization. Draft an email that speaks directly to the recipient, mentioning how you know them or referencing a shared experience. This not only increases the email's open rate, but also its conversion rate. A personal touch goes a long way. Your email should always offer something of real value, be it an exclusive deal, insightful information, or access to a valuable resource, making sure it's something that resonates with your audience's needs and interests. After sending your initial email, don't forget to follow up. However, timing and tone are critical here. Wait a week or so before sending a polite follow-up. This shows perseverance without being annoying. Armed with these strategies, you're now ready to turn your phone's contacts into a bustling community of engaged leads. But remember, the key is to start. Take action today. Watch as your network transforms into a significant asset for your business. If you found these tips helpful, don't keep them for yourself. Share this video with your network. Hit that like button. Your support helps us create more content like this. And for more insightful tips and strategies, make sure to subscribe to our channel and visit us at Boise Web. Your journey to digital success starts here.